Treuddyn and I went to Ysgol Gymraeg Terrig. It's a Welsh medium school in Treuddyn itself. I got interested in music when I was about 8 years old. I had a keyboard at home, so I started off by just playing around on that, and then decided to go for actual formal piano lessons, and started piano lessons when I was almost 9 years old with Fiona Price. And sort of halfway through year 6 of Ysgol Terrig, I started harp lessons with Harriet Eris, and I think I got this opportunity with it being the Welsh medium school. I started competing in Treuddyn Urdd in November 2004. I just competed in the piano solo at this point, and I've continued to do that every year since 2004. I think I did harp for the first time in about 2007. I did the Urdd for the first time when I was about 11, and I did just piano to begin with. And then I added the harp in year 7. And my first time that I got through to the National of the Urdd was in year 7. This was just with piano to start off, and I think from about year 9 onwards I got through with both instruments and have done since then. My involvement with the Urdd has given me a lot of confidence to perform in front of lots of different people, both in a competition environment but also just performing in a concert. So for this reason I've decided to go on to study music in the future, and I will be studying first study harp in Royal College of Music in September, and hope to continue the piano as well, and I will make this my career with a mixture of performing and teaching.